Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group with your morning market start for Monday, June the 8th. Another negative week last week, but steady on Friday, relatively steady. 2092 down 7 in the E-mini S&P. The loss for the week was 2/3 of 1%, so relatively steady after some selling now like we've seen for 2 consecutive weeks. The Dow was the loss leader, down 0.9% on a weekly basis, and on Friday it was down 83 points at 17,842. The Nasdaq down 2/3 of a point on the week, 2/3 of a percentage on the week. 4481.5 was the close on Friday, down 15 points, but off those lows and steady on Friday. The dollar surged with the employment data. 96.36 was a close on Friday, up 87 points, knocking the euro currency down. 111.20 was the close there, down 126. The euro did gain 100 points on a weekly basis. Bonds were not bouncing, selling off once again, down 1 and 21 seconds, 149.23, pushing yields up to the highest level for 2015. The 10-year note last week gained 0.29%, so a 1/4% gain on a weekly basis in that 10-year note. Crude oil down below the 60 level, 59.13 was the settlement. It was actually closed up $1.10 on the day, but finishing below 60 on a weekly basis, and it was down $1.20 on the week as well. Lastly, gold can't get a grip, can't find a bottom. Down another $7 with that strong dollar. 11.68 was the close. That was down $22 on a weekly basis. So after the action last week, where do things stand here on this Monday morning? Well, we're seeing a little bit of negativity here in the stock index futures, down 2 in the S&P at 2090, down 4 points in the Dow futures at 17,838, and down 3.5 in the Nasdaq at 4478. The dollar steady, down 16 at 96.20. The euro currency bouncing 24 ticks at 111.58. Bonds are going nowhere, up 6 ticks at 149.29. The yields to keep an eye on, 3.10 in the 30-year and 2.39 in the 10-year note. Crude oil down 60 cents at 58.55. Again, that 60 pivot to keep an eye on. And gold getting back $5 right now at 11.73. So to wrap up this current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're steady to lower in the stock indexes, down 2 in the S&P, down 4 in the Dow futures, and down 3.5 in the Nasdaq. I will see you early Thursday morning, actually Tuesday morning, for your morning market stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.